It's time for ED Mnangagwa to step down and hand over power to Chiwenga as the nation grapples with economic hardships, social unrest, and rising discontent among citizens. It has become increasingly clear that President Emerson Mnangagwa's time in office is drawing to a close. Sana bena mashu kabla nyuko panapa pamsoro ayo pekurizana kumtukamiro nyika jinsi ayo ngaro epasi ibo subscribe or like or on the bell icon. It is important to recognize that a leadership transition will not be seamless. There will be undoubtedly be challenges, including resistance from factions within the party and expectations from the populace that reforms will manifest swiftly. However, if handled carefully, a transition led by Chiwenga could represent an opportunity for renewal and a break from the past mistakes. As the nation approaches the next election cycle, the call for President Mnangagwa to step down is growing louder. Protests demanding accountability and transparent government have erupted, and the youth, who constitute a significant portion of the electorate, are increasingly vocal about their desire to change. Failure to respond to these calls could further alienate the ruling party from very institutions it seeks to serve. It is time for President Emerson Mnangagwa to hand over the reins of power to Vice President Chiwenga while challenging this transition could herald a new chapter for Zimbabwe, fostering political stability, restoring economic confidence, and reinvigorating governments that prioritizes the needs of the citizens. The path forward requires bold decisions, and leadership change may well be the first step towards a better future for Zimbabweans. Tomashkawia bana panashit komenda pamsoro awa pekio zikuitika mnyika Zimbabwe wachita ayo pangwa idwe Zimbabwean leader ayo ngachikusarenda kimatoko na vipi kusani uchungana satudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamsoro pechitiko ichi na comment section medu dze mafunguro enyu on subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.